Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to start earning $50 every single day using your LBANk exchange app. You don't have to trade, you don't have to do anything. All you just need to do is just start with just the minimum of $10 to $30 and you start earning. But before we get started, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on that post notification bell so that I can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Right here is your LBANk exchange app. You click on it. If you're watching this video and you don't have an account with LBANk exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and also get a discount for doing that. So right here is the home page of your LBANk exchange app. If you look right here, you'll be seeing referral, copy trading and earn right here. So right now you just click on this copy trading right here. You click on it. Now once you click on it, you're just going to select any random trader you want to start copying his or her trade. But first of all, you need to check the P&L and the win rate of the person. Then if you're okay with the person's results, then you can now click on this. Let's click on it. Now with as low as $150 you can start earning every day. You don't have to trade. All you just need to do is come here and copy the trade, and you don't even have to copy the trade manually. You can do auto copy and it will directly copy the trades. Each time the person places a trade, you will see your order placed directly through. So let's this load. So you can see the person's results right here, and you can see people that are copying the trader here. So you can see all of this, right? So now if you want to start copying this trader's performance, you click on copy, and now you're going to agree with the terms and conditions right here. You have to read all of this. Now if you've agreed, you click on confirm, and automatically you will start copying the trader's results. Each time the trader places a trade, automatically your order will be triggered. So if the trader makes profit, you're going to make profits, and it's that simple. Another way to earn on LBANk exchange app is to click on this earn right here. This earn right here, it's so simple. This is the most amazing app, and this is the most amazing exchange around the world right now. LBANk is the most amazing exchange around the world currently. So if you don't have an account with them, link will be in the description below. So right now, how do you earn with this? Now if you click on this, you will see that these are all investments, right? These are all investments, and they are monthly, yearly, daily investments. So you can see this is BTC, this is USDT, this is BTC, this is Ethereum right here, this is Ethereum, this is Pi. You can see this is Pi. So you can see quarter is full, Pi quarter is currently full, so the whole portal is full. This is SUI right here, which is SUI. So you just need to select any project you're interested in. Let's take for example you're interested in USDT. You click on it. Once you click on it, now you need to have at least funds on your wallet. So once you click on it, you click on this agree. You have to read everything right here, then you read and understand it, then you click on join right here. Once you click on join, you don't have to trade, you don't have to do anything. All you just need to do is you just start earning right here. You start earning in your currency, and every day you just come and refresh. If there is profit, you will see it's going to reflect on your dashboard right here, and once you're okay with the profit, you can withdraw. This is the simplest way of earning on LBANk exchange app without having to trade futures or even buy spots. And another way to earn on LBANk exchange app is through airdrops, right? You click on these airdrops. Now if you come to the airdrops, you can see so many airdrops ongoing. If you click on more right here, you can see so many airdrops that are ongoing. All you need to do is click on it and participate on any airdrop that you're interested in. Register and participate on their competition. At the end of the competition and the end of the snapshot, the airdrop, if the airdrops is being distributed and you are qualified, you will see the airdrop will automatically be converted to your USDT and it will be at your wallet right here. It will be at your wallet right here. So this is another way of earning on LBANk exchange app. So tell me why you don't want to have an account with LBANk exchange app. Without further ado, link will be in the description below to our Telegram channel where we share our trade signals every single day, and also link will be in the description below where you can get your LBANk exchange trading app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.